Here are 8 things you should know before you even consider this bench grinder. Well, bonus info, we got six-foot cord. Number 8, variable speed from 1800 RPM to 3795 RPM. Sparks will fly before the end of this video. 7 is a 5 amp brushless motor. 6, it has an angle cut on the tool rest to assist with drill bit sharpening. 5, has a quench tray for cooling your workpiece. 4, it has full-size 8-inch stones. One of them is 36 grit, the other is 80 grit. 3, it has a removable safety key to prevent unauthorized use. 2, it has LED lights that face each of the tool rests. And my favorite part of this grinder has to be that it has noticeably less noise and noticeably less vibration than any of my other current grinders and any of my other previous grinders. Speed here. And that sounds like she just hit full speed. She's done wound up. Oh, we got sparkling! We got sparkles! Woo! Let's turn her all the way up. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, I'm most impressed with the fact it's not trying to walk around the table. Look how smooth that is. That is way smoother than my other grinders. I mean, it's just as smooth as can be. It's not that loud either. So that is the Vevor variable speed bench grinder. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.